For you, every vehicle brings a new challenge. For the vehicle, the solution starts with connecting to an Autel MS906Max. Fast, powerful, and versatile, the MS906Max maximizes shop efficiency with industry-leading vehicle coverage, OE-level diagnostics, and extensive service capabilities. The larger 10-inch screen improves usability and accuracy. A powerful octa-core processor delivers blazing, fast full-system scans, and a 128GB hard drive offers plenty of storage for the diagnostic software of every vehicle brand you repair. From reading and erasing codes, to viewing and graphing live data, from airbag and oil light resets, to flagging event moments for a deeper view. From pre- and post-scan reporting, to active tests and special functions. The pro-level capabilities of the MS906Max will quickly make it your go-to scan tool. Take on every shop challenge with the Autel Maxisys MS906Max.